Hi guys, it is Tom time and it's Tammy. And also Gandalf. He heard this ruffling noise and he just assumes that this is a bag of treats. So hopefully you guys don't mind my dog being here. And also you may notice that I added some color to the whole scheme over here in my little corner, and it's because my wonderful brother slash director told me that my background was too plain. So here is a picture of my late dog Poppy. She lived for 17 years, and my best friend Jenny got me this beautiful picture of her. So thank you, Jenny. I love this picture. I see it every day, and now you guys get to enjoy it with me too. So today I like to talk about this product Unreal, or this company slash product. The company name is called Unreal, and it's dark chocolate coconut minis. I love coconuts. This was a Costco find by my husband, so thank you, husband. Mwah. And I've never had this before, so I'm gonna give it a try and you guys are going to see my initial reaction. In my head, I kind of think of this like, oh, maybe this is like an almond joy, but without the almond. Does that make sense? But I'm really excited to try this because this is, it seems like a very great brand. It's vegan and it is fair trade certified. So if you guys are really into that stuff, this may be a good brand for you. And of course it's non-GMO. So again, non-GMO and fair trade, sustainable ingredients, no sugar, alcohol, certified vegan, gluten-free, and it's only 3 grams of sugar per bar. And of course, I'm reading, I was looking down and pretty sure you guys noticed that, but that's what this package claims. And don't worry, we're gonna zoom into the ingredients because I know some of you are concerned about your macros or just a calorie intake. The caloric intake for this is only 70 calories, and this bag has 29 servings. So I've never heard of this company before. First time seeing this, and it only has 3 main ingredients, which is the it claims that it's organic coconut, organic cassava syrup, and dark chocolate. So and also for you guys that are allergic to peanuts, this was made in the same vicinity as peanuts and tree stuff, or I guess not tree stuff, but tree nuts. So if you guys are allergic to that, please stay away from this or be cognizant of it. We don't want you to get sick from it. So this is my first time, again, this is my first time trying this, and I'm very excited to open this, try it, and go from there. But before I do, I want to show you what the packaging is up close and also the ingredients as well. So here is the packaging. Pretty straightforward right here. You may notice that there's a crooked line right here. Not great packaging, but that's okay. It's not going to impact the taste of it, and plus it's in mini packages, so this little treat is not going to go stale. And this has a little synopsis about them and what they're all about, and quick breakdown of what's not included in here, like non-GMO, no soy, all the things that I talked about earlier, gluten-free, 3 grams of sugar. And also they have the ingredients right here that I quickly discussed earlier. It's only 3 ingredients, allergen information, and then here's the nutrition facts that you guys are most concerned with. I hope you guys are excited to see what's in here as I am. Well, obviously you guys are gonna see this little chocolate bar wrapped in this tiny packaging. But I'm really excited to try it actually. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this right now. And this is not a resealable bag, just so you guys know. And Gandalf is back and he thinks it's one of his treats. Basically, here you go. So I cut this in half, and this is what it looks like from the inside. Okay guys, now it's the moment of truth. I'm gonna try this out right now and let you know my thoughts. I like this a lot. It's very delicious. So for you coconut fans out there, or those who like to eat coconut, I just want to let you know that it does have a little bit of crunchiness to it. So it does remind me of almond joy, but without the almond. You could definitely, it's not like coconut flakes, but when you bite into it, it's not as smooth of a coconut like as you think it is. There is some sort of crunch to it, but not like where like you're chewing coconut flakes. Though I will say that if you hold on to it too long, the chocolate does melt pretty fast. And in here, I'm in a very nice AC cooled room. So that being said, I do think that this is a great product to have in your household. So if you needed like an extra treat in your pantry and you don't want to eat something that's overly processed, like a Nestle bar or something like that, this actually will satisfy your craving. So if I have a sweet tooth and I have 70 calories to spare, fits into my macros, then sure, I'll definitely eat this. Though I can say that this could be very addictive. So keep in mind that it's 70 calories for this very mini bar. It's tiny. So and I like that it's packaged as well individually. It's great to pack for a snack if you're on the go. So you don't have to think about using like your own Ziploc or reusable bag or whatnot because it's already prepackaged for you. It's great to pack for your kids. So if you think that they would like this treat, it's already prepackaged. So that's another plus. And of course, since we're in COVID, since we're in COVID times, having things prepackaged for you like this is pretty good. So I like that aspect of it, but the taste is just great. It does remind me of an Almond Joy candy, again without the almond. But it's for those who think that the coconut is gonna overpower the chocolate, but you hate dark chocolate, you're gonna be in for a treat because you do still taste the dark chocolate. So don't chance it. So if you like milk chocolate only, don't eat this brand because you will definitely taste the dark chocolate on this. And so this is pretty much it. It's great on the go. You may need a napkin because again, the chocolate melts pretty fast if you hold on to it too long, but it's so tiny that you could just eat it in one bite if you want to. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this little treat. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you tried this product, let me know how you think about it. Would you eat this to satisfy your craving, or do you think it's like a no-go? Let me know. So that's it. Ton time is out. Peace. And I'm just gonna enjoy this piece right now.